Samsung Galaxy A82 is said to come equipped with a 64 megapixel rear primary camera sensor. Guys, you're most welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is yet another video, and we are talking about the Samsung Galaxy A82. The phone may also feature a quantum random number generator chip to increase the encryption of data on the device. The handset may be powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus source, paired with a 6 GB of RAM. It will likely run on Android 11 and come with Bluetooth V5 support. A brief specification, a summary on the specification. We have the brand is Samsung, the model is Galaxy A82, form factor touchscreen, and the hardware, we have processor which is 1.78 MHz octa-core processor, make it a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus, and the RAM it comes with, yes, you know it's 6 GB, and the camera, for the rear camera, it is 64 megapixels. Guys, why not rush and get yourself a Samsung Galaxy A82? And the software, the operating system is an Android 11, and the skin is One UI, yes, and the connectivity, we have Bluetooth, yes, V5. So guys, rush on and get yourself a Samsung Galaxy A82 and you will not regret. And someone can get me this for my birthday, which is just in a few days. I'll still appreciate. Thank you so much. I'm your girl Cynthia Hope. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you like such content, why not share it out to your friends and family. Smash the like button, leave a comment down below. Do you like such content? Thank you so much for watching. I'm your girl Cynthia Hope. See you in my next review. Stay blessed, and I'm out.